बताइए, आपने एक दिन का पूरा ट्रेनिंग किया, तो इसमें आपका कुछ कंसर्न्स या कुछ क्लैरिफिकेशंस या कुछ आगे कैसे ट्रेनिंग करना है इसके बारे में सुबह तो हमने बता दिया कैसे ट्रेनिंग करना है, ये तो बता दिया था। तो आगे आपको इसमें कुछ डाउट्स वगैरह है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं। एटलीस्ट ये बताइए, ये ट्रेनिंग से आपको कुछ फ़ायदा मिला, कितनी परसेंटेज फ़ायदा मिला?
ऑब्वियसली ट्रेनिंग से हमें फ़ायदा तो मिला। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर एम ए फारूकी फ्रॉम प्रोफेसर फ्रॉम निजाम सिटी कॉलेज हैदराबाद एंड ट्रेनिंग से फ़ायदा मिला सर। और दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि विच आई वांट टू कंक्लूड इट दैट सच ट्रेनिंग शुड बी कंटिन्यूड इन डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द व्हाट यू कॉल स्टेट सच एज हैदराबाद and we have good what you call facility over the National Research Institute of Unani Medicine, and I think that will also help in the South India campaign. And the दूसरी चीज़ ये कि सर आज जैसा आपने musculoskeletal disorders देखा, तो ऑन्कोलॉजी पे भी हम कर सकते हैं, ऑन्कोलॉजी पे भी किया जा सकता है, इसमें काम किया जा सकता है। तो मेरा रिसर्च ये कि जो मतलब कि इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है जो WHO का मतलब कि जो मतलब कंसंट्रेशन है, वैसे टॉपिक के ऊपर भी हम ऐसे प्रोग्राम रख सकते हैं। रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग इज दैट यू नो better than me and how far you are designing the what you call proceeding and next what will be your step and hope that we will be entertained in such a better way। बहुत अच्छा दिखा सुबह से हम लोग यहाँ पर ऑलमोस्ट बिजी हैं और डिफरेंट लोगों के हम व्यूज देख रहे थे, डिफरेंट लोगों के प्रेजेंटेशन देख रहे थे। सर का प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत ज़बरदस्त रहा और द वे ही हैज व्हाट कॉल्ड टॉट अस मतलब डिफरेंट ये प्रेजेंटेशन कैसा रहना चाहिए, डिसीज कैसे डायग्नोस करना चाहिए, ट्रीटमेंट कैसे करना चाहिए। आई थिंक इट्स एक्सेलेंट एंड आई होप दैट such program will be continued in future. Thank you, sir.
Any other comments?
पहले तो थैंक्स the organizers who have organized this program. Whenever there is an training programs, we see every part, सब कुछ खाना पीने से लेके and the arrangements and other things, everything was better. But I thank all these those who have collaborated in this program, whether it is CCRM, this Central Health Education Bureau and other Ministry of Ayush. On behalf of all, I thank all these. But there was one concern which I think we should take in, we should keep it in future consideration, that these programs should not be in just a hurry up. When we are going to implement these programs at grassroots level, at least the state trainer should get a broader version, vision, so that he can implement it at the grassroots level. At least this training should be for 2 to 3 days. The gap, so that we will have hands-on trainings and others, so that we will learn in a proper way what we have to implement at the grassroots level. Doing it in a hurry, this is my suggestion, doing it in a hurry, we cannot encourage this, जो सब कुछ हमारे अंदर तो नहीं आ सकता एक दिन में। तो जो ग्रासरूट लेवल पे लेना है, वहाँ पे डॉक्टर्स को, पैरामेडिक्स को ये प्रोग्राम पहुँचाने में उतना कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग मेरी होनी चाहिए कि मैं ये कर सकूँ। तो एक बात तो ये है। दूसरी बात जो मुझे लगा कि जो हमारे से ये जो STG जो आज मिला हमें, स्टैंडर्ड ट्रीटमेंट गाइडलाइन जो मिली, ये बाकी प्रोग्राम्स में भी होनी चाहिए। बाकी डिजीज़ में भी, खासकर जो हम हेल्थ वेलनेस सेंटर्स पे ग्रासरूट लेवल कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पे जो ये गाइडलाइंस हैं उस टाइम पे पहुँच जाती है जब हम सब कुछ कर चुके होते हैं। तो बेटर ये होता कि जब हम प्रोग्राम इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं उससे पहले, जैसे इस बार हुआ कि मस्कुलोस्केलेटल डिसऑर्डर्स पे प्रोग्राम इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ तो गाइडलाइंस हमारे पास है, तो जो ही हम जाएंगे एट ग्रासरूट लेवल वी हैव द गाइडलाइंस एंड वी विल इनकॉर्पोरेट इट। तो इस तरह से बाकी प्रोग्राम्स में भी होना चाहिए। तो ये मेरे सजेशंस हैं। थैंक्स।
ओके, तो एनी अदर? बैठ कर बताइए।
But my suggestion is that we should not end this training program here. We should have somebody who will just see whether we have trained all, and what was the feedback and outcome of this training? Did we train all at the grassroots level? And if we have somebody, like we have the Namaste portal where we have all the diseases now, and all the, most of the people from Unani fraternity are feeling that we should make a portal where for the osteoarthritis, specifically all the people who do this and who the trainers who train other people, then we should slowly all the Unani fraternity will join, and it will be more beneficial and we will yield more results in that way. This is my suggestion. Thank you so much.
If no other comments are there, then I can just brief what we are going to do. As already you have indicated that this kind of program has to be extended throughout the country. So what we request the states actually, you conduct such training programs in your academic institutions. जैसे हैदराबाद में है तो हैदराबाद में कर सकते हैं, बैंगलोर या NIUM में है तो बैंगलोर में कर सकते हैं, because you can identify, states can easily identify the institutes where actually there are sufficient patient load is there. So even you can plan a hands-on training also. There won't be much problem. Or the resources are available throughout the country, and if you request even the Ministry of Ayush, even CCRUM, they can also provide the required resource persons for your conducting the training program. So in the morning I suggested that for the next 3 months we have to complete this cascading training program, because this is a generally it is an orientation program, because most of the physicians are actually knowing the by way of their practice itself, they are already knowing how to treat the patients and other things. Only certain focus for giving a focus, giving a very specific methodical manner, actually these standard treatment guidelines have been attempted by the Ayush Vertical and CCRUM. So now the material is with you. Only the thing is what is required now, we have to cascade the training program in the next 3 months. So whatever requirements are there for that purpose, for example some kind of technical resources, technical guidelines, that we will definitely circulate to you. As DG CCRU already mentioned that the PPTs and the training material in the videography, everything we will consider in which manner we have to just dissipate to you, that accordingly finalize कर आपको भेज देंगे, तो इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. बाकी जो है आपने जो सजेस्ट किया है अदर डिजीज कंडीशंस में ऑन प्रायोरिटी बेसिस एज पर द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द ट्रेडिशनल मेडिसिन, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग एक्चुअली, एज पर द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द ट्रेडिशनल मेडिसिन वी विल कम विथ ऑल द अदर STGs. That is why we have undertaken now for the metabolic disorders. So in the coming days, actually within next 1 to 2 years, the entire STGs will be completed. That is what we are actually planning from our level actually. So now the rest of the functions has to be done by you master trainers actually to train all the medical officers in the public health facilities particularly. So for that purpose the big state में एक 5-6 regional units में आप जाकर training दे सकते हैं, because at a go all the Unani physician may not be able to do. In the morning you told that in the one state 400 Unani physicians are there, so 400 है तो आप 100 4 batch में 4 region में कर सकते हैं actually. You can extend the training program into 2 days, because this is only a national level strategic way में हमको मास्टर ट्रेनर्स का डेवलपमेंट करना था, इसलिए हमने ये किया था. बट फर्दर डिटेल्स के साथ आप ट्रेनिंग देना चाहते हैं तो आप कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. इवन 2 days का भी ट्रेनिंग में आप एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. So because we have to cater all the 4 systems of medicine, that is why within the available time slot we have selected these 4 days in CHEB. So I think if you have further any queries also, you can communicate with us through mail, or even the telephone numbers are also available, and you can easily contact CCRUM secretariat also. They will technically help, because whatever the coordination activities that we can undertake from the Ayush Vertical, but for the technical support for any particular disease condition and other things on specifically for the Unani, then you can contact with the CCRUM. So I think we hope that in the next 3 months you complete your task and report back to us, and for that purpose whatever required, even some kind of what you call Google format and other things, that we can create and circulate among yourself. Thank you all.
And they may also disseminate with the available social media also.
Yes,
The
yes.
model which they have now
Exactly.
received.
Yes.
So this can be shared widely in all
yes,
social
we
media.
also plan to circulate these guidelines to the national commissions, National Commission of Indian Institute of Medicines and National Commission of Homeopathy, with the respective systems of medicine, so that widely, not only in the public health facilities, even in the private sector, but all the practitioners will be able to go through this one. That is why we made only limited number of physical copies. Whatever the major thrust will be on copies of these guidelines, and all the websites of the Ministry of Ayush, Ayush Vertical, and even the Research Council also, it will be published actually. Okay. Thank you all. So now we can.
Now let's start with the certificate distribution. Dr.
अच्छा, फोटो रह गया? आपका फोटो रह गया? हाँ, वो
Dr. Azima Begum from Manipur. Dr. Jagdish from Andhra Pradesh. Dr. B. Pratibha from Andhra Pradesh.
These are normal, no? There? Better, no?
उधर देखिए.
Dr. Jagdish.
Thank you so much.
Dr. Pratibha. Dr. Shakir Ali from Kerala. Dr. Muhammad Akmal from Rajasthan.
Kerala from
Dr.
there.
Nisar Ahmad from Rajasthan.
How many dispensaries are there in Kerala?
ISM in all in all. NHM now is 34.
Dr. Muhammad Akmal.
Thank you.
Dr. Ehsan Ahmad from Madhya Pradesh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dr. Ghulam Mustafa from Jharkhand.
Number is
Dr.
30 is
Fazlul
limited.
Sami
30 is
from
30.
Jharkhand. Dr. Khan from Uttarakhand. Dr. Shaini Khan from Uttarakhand. Dr. Mohiddin Faruqi from Maharashtra. Dr. Habibullah, Dr. Muhammad Amir, Dr. Paris Swani from Delhi.
Thank you.
Dr. Mubashira Khan from Delhi.
Dr. Paris.
Amen.
Paris Swani. Dr. Mubashira Khan from Delhi. Dr. Mohammad Zubair from Uttar Pradesh. Dr. Muzammil Ahmad from Tamil Nadu. Dr. Tabasya Kausar from Tamil Nadu.
Thank you.
Dr. Tabasya Kausar from Tamil Nadu. Dr. Javed Ahmad from Bihar.
You are in Kadalur now.
Dr. Akhtar Abbas from Himachal Pradesh. Dr. Sudhanshu from Chandigarh. Now let us have a group photographs. I think we can have in 2 different sessions.
एक साथ आ जाए.